exercises to help to improve the drone note and also the efficiency of your playing so that you're using less air. The first exercise is what we call the start-stop exercise, and that's where you get the didgeridoo, place your lips on it, taking your time to get a good placement, start the note, and as soon as you get a note that you're happy with, just stop. Take the didgeridoo away and then repeat the process. The idea is that you will be improving the quality of the drone note quite quickly because you're just focusing on the beginning of it. You don't have to think about continuing to play or circular breathing or any of those other things. It's just purely focusing on this one thing. The second exercise is a mental visualization exercise. And the idea here is that you have a needle that you've placed between your lips. You take the needle out and in your mind's eye you can see the tiny small hole between your lips, and as you start to play you focus in on this spot and your brain is able to wire to your lips very quickly by doing this, and as you play you just make the note quieter and quieter and quieter until finally you lose your lips, and then start over again and go through the process again. When you do it, I suggest that you find a place where you are not going to be distracted in any way. So lock yourself in a room perhaps, and even do it in the dark so that you are heightening the senses that you need just for this one exercise. I hope that helps and that you can improve your drone note.